Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python installed and the Microsoft Python extension active. Open the project folder now and locate any venv or conda-env. Once done, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and type Python. Select Interpreter. This is the entry point. You do this because Vscode ties linting, IntelliSense, and debugging to the chosen interpreter. Make sure the extension has scanned environments, otherwise, reload the window. You'll now pick the interpreter that matches your project. From the list, select a virtualenv or conda-env that lives in the workspace. This isolates dependencies. If you need a system Python, choose the path like /usr/bin/python3 or c, \python39 \python, exe. Once selected, check the blue status bar at the bottom left. It shows the active interpreter. If you switch interpreters, make sure to reinstall extension-specific language servers and restart the terminal so the new path. You finish by validating the setup. Open a new integrated terminal and run Python version and Python m pip list. Run your tests or a simple script to confirm debuggers and linters attach correctly. If Vscode doesn't show your interpreter, add the exact path in workspace settings. JSON under Python. Python path or use the Python. Discover environments command. One key troubleshooting tip. If IntelliSense behaves oddly, reload the window and delete the Vscode directory cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.